Hi guys, I'm Madison Nichols, and today my sister Bailey and I will be showing you how to make soft pretzels. You will need your water to be in between 112 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to combine it with our brown sugar and salt. We will be stirring this until it is dissolved. Now that that's mixed, we're going to sprinkle our yeast over the top and let it sit for 5 minutes while it forms the foam. We're going to add our melted butter and flour into our bowl and mix it with our dough hook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the dough pulls away from the side of the bowl. Now we're going to place it into a greased bowl and cover with plastic wrap and set in a warm spot for about 45 minutes or until our dough is doubled in size. Now that our dough is raised, we're going to take it out of our bowl and place it onto a floured surface. And we're going to cut it into 8 equal parts. Once your dough is divided, you're going to roll it out about 24 inches long. And would you like to roll it out? Now we're going to soak our pretzel in our boiling soda water mixture for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to wash it with an egg wash. Would you like to do that?
Yeah.
Now we're going to sprinkle it with salt, but you can use cinnamon sugar also. Once you've made all your pretzels, you're going to cook them at 450 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes or until they're golden brown. This is how your pretzels should look, a nice golden brown. I hope you give this recipe a try and you enjoy it. The recipe is included in the comments.